Well, good morning again from Mud Grip Mike. I think it's 16th of April. Not working on the old Jeep today, either one of them. What I've got here is my running boards on the pickup are well, there is one. The other one is laying here on the shop floor. Those little braces, I got too close to a log in the woods and I kind of mashed the thing a little bit and pushed it back. So I said, well, I'm going to straighten it, because when it went back, it also curled in toward the cab. So I took it off, I straightened those things in a vise. They're not that thick. Got them ready to go. And on the bottom side of this, it's thin. You can probably tell by the sound, there's not much to it. But these little holes were, there was some rivet nuts in them. And they all backed out. And right here, I had to grind them off because they'd rusted out. It's pitiful. So I guess I didn't use Neverseed. So what I'm going to do is there is an access hole. And I can reach in that hole with a pair of needle nose pliers and hold the nut to the back side, put it together, and then when I get it all bolted up, I swing this back over and I'll get some self-tapping screws to help hold this back down. I got to pull that little plug out of there, plastic plug. So that's what I'm doing. There'll be more here in a minute. Okay, let's get the access hole so I can reach in there with needle nose pliers. I'll use the hole saw here. Turn it the proper direction. I may do for a battery change in a minute. Woo! And I broke the bit off. On camera, by the way. Okay, got to get a new bit. Hang on. Third time maybe, I'm not sure. That's it. So I won't break it up. Okay, there's my access hole. Clean that out. Now let's reach in there. Release. It's easier to do with stop there once in a while. Maybe just replace bits. There's your broken. Alright, there's two access holes. Okay, let's deburr that while I'm doing it. Neverseeds on it years ago when I put these on, and now we're paying the price because everything was Neverseeds on it. It's so easy. Everyone would do it. Get it started on there loosely, then I'll be able to reach in the hole with a box end wrench and hold these. I just got them kind of snug. Okay, I'll do the other two and then I'll be back. Okay, I got my running board back on there. The little access hole here that I made, reached up in there with a box end wrench and held the back up. Got them tight. Of course, this one here already had an access hole, so I used that. Now, just got to swing this around, get me a couple of self-tapping screws and put in it to hold it down. Put the other rubber back here and cover up those two holes, and that will be a done deal. It's noon. I'm going to go get something to eat, so thanks for watching.